Metal square tubes are common welding materials. But welding is not as simple as imagined. Which welding method is better? Today, taking a 1mm stainless steel square tube as an example, I will fix it into a T-shape first. We have prepared 3 types of welding machines. Let's take a look at the effects of electric welding, TIG welding and laser welding in sequence. Now that the materials are ready, we will weld these 2 positions separately. The flat welding, the inner corner welding. Now prepare and fix 3 materials for welding. The main purpose of using square steel pipes is to simultaneously test the welding effect of the flat and inner corners. Wear protective glasses when welding. The first and shortest time consuming process is laser welding. Electric welding and TIG welding take approximately the same amount of time, but electric welding requires an additional polishing process, which is why it takes the longest time. We can visually see the welding effect. And laser welding has a narrower and deeper weld seam, which has an absolute advantage in welding thin metal. In terms of initial investment costs, laser welding is the highest, but production efficiency is higher or times almost, which means that if large demand for thin place welding, laser welding can break through production limitations. Compared to other solutions, laser welding has fast speed, large melting depth, no need for secondary processing, and is friendly to beginners.